歐洲，歐洲 Europe， 澳洲，澳洲 Australia， 歐洲，澳洲。我而家喺澳洲做嘢，不過我啲屋企人都喺歐洲。我而家喺澳洲做嘢，不過我啲屋企人都喺歐洲。I work in Australia, but my family are in Europe. 前面有落，前面有落。Someone wants to get off in front. 唔該，司機大佬，前面有落。唔該，司機大佬，前面有落。Excuse me, sir. I want to get off in front. 分享慾望，分享慾望。The desire to share. 你要克制住自己嘅分享慾，因為唔係個個人都明你嘅。你要克制住自己嘅分享慾，因為唔係個個人都明你嘅。You have to restrain your desire to share, because not everyone understands you. 執生，執生。Adjust to changing circumstance. 到你上台啦，你自己執生啦。到你上台啦，你自己執生啦。It's your turn to take the stage. You just played it by ear. 叫雞，叫雞。Pay a sex, solicit a prostitute. 佢成日都叫雞，點知俾人篤爆咗。佢成日都叫雞，點知俾人篤爆咗。He always pays for sex. God knows that he was exposed by others. 就嚟，就嚟。Almost, soon. 就嚟落雨啦，快啲收衫啦。就嚟落雨啦，快啲收衫啦。It's going to rain soon. Hurry up, bring the laundry in. 寄件，寄件。Send a parcel. 我晏晝要出去寄個件，可能遲啲先返。我晏晝要出去寄個件，可能遲啲先返。I have to go out in the afternoon to set a parcel, and I may come back late. 教師節快樂，教師節快樂。中秋節快樂，中秋節快樂。